Solar energy has changed the way we think about power generation. But as technology continues to improve in 2026, one question is gaining attention. Are solar tracking systems really worth the extra investment? Traditional solar panels stay fixed in one position, but solar tracking systems are designed to follow the movement of the sun, helping panels capture sunlight more effectively throughout the day. So, do the benefits justify the cost? Let's find out. A solar tracking system uses automated technology to adjust the angle and direction of solar panels as the sun moves across the sky. There are two main types of trackers: single-axis trackers, which follow the sun from east to west, and dual-axis trackers, which adjust both horizontally and vertically for more precise positioning. The main purpose is simple: keep solar panels facing the sunlight for a longer period and increase energy production. In 2026, solar trackers are becoming more popular, especially for large-scale solar projects. Why? Because when every extra unit of electricity matters, improving efficiency can have a major impact. By optimizing panel angles throughout the day, tracking systems can help generate more power compared with fixed installations. However, higher performance comes with higher costs. Solar trackers require additional equipment, moving parts, and maintenance compared with traditional mounting systems. This means the initial investment is usually higher. So, are they a smart financial choice? The answer depends on the project. For large solar farms located in areas with strong sunlight and plenty of available space, solar trackers can make sense because the increased energy output may balance the additional costs over time. For smaller solar installations, a fixed system may still be the more practical option due to lower complexity and easier maintenance. For businesses and solar project developers, comparing equipment options and suppliers, platforms like tradewheel.com can be useful for exploring different solar-related products and connecting with global suppliers. Of course, solar tracking systems are not without challenges. They require regular maintenance, depend on reliable mechanical components, and need proper planning to perform efficiently in different environments. But with advancements in automation and solar technology, tracking systems continue to become smarter and more efficient. So, are solar tracking systems worth the investment in 2026? For the right project, they can be a valuable upgrade that improves energy generation and long-term performance. But the best decision depends on factors like location, budget, energy goals, and project size. As solar technology continues to evolve, the future of energy will not only be about producing more power, it will be about producing it smarter. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more updates on renewable energy and future technologies.